Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to attach a frame on a wall. First, gather your essential tools, including a tape measure, a level, and a pencil. Next, select the appropriate hanging hardware, considering your frame's weight and the wall material. Finally, decide on the perfect height and precise placement for your frame before making any marks. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful installation process. Achieving a perfectly hung frame starts with accurate marking. Begin by measuring the distance from the top edge of your frame down to its hanging wire or hook. Then, transfer your desired frame height onto the wall with a pencil. Remember to add the measurement you just took. Always use a level to confirm your marked spot is perfectly horizontal, preventing a crooked display. Now it is time to install the hardware securely. If you are hanging on drywall without a stud, choose suitable wall anchors. For heavier frames, locating a wall stud is best. Drill a pilot hole that matches the size of your chosen screw or anchor. Then, firmly insert the hardware into the wall at your precisely marked location, ensuring it is snug and stable. With the hardware in place, you are ready to hang your frame. Carefully lift the frame, aligning its hanging wire or D-rings with the installed wall hardware. Gently lower the frame, ensuring it settles securely and stably onto the hook or screw. Take a step back to assess the placement. Make any minor adjustments to achieve perfect visual alignment and enjoy your beautifully hung frame.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.